Right, so this is a database. I'll just spend 20 minutes doing this. I know it's small. So we've got ID, so it's 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. It's pretty much a primary key, so something, so, um, basically, I'm not entirely sure how to explain it, but if you say, make a relationship and say, okay, primary key, um, say if John wrote a book and his primary key was 1, right? And his book had a primary key of 1. Okay, let's just say if this book had a primary key, right? And it was like how much books was sold in a given month, right? And it had a primary key of 1, right? And and then you'd have a separate table detailing what this book is about, what's primary key um, one book is about, like how who wrote it, like who did it, like that kind of stuff, right? Um, you'd have that, right? So that's what primary key is. I suppose it's like a yeah. First name, you've got your first name, surnames, town, um, and what I'm gonna do with that is so your surname, I'm using that as a query key and a town query key. So we've got Dublin, so it lists everyone from the town of Dublin, city of Dublin more or less. Um, and you're like, I suppose you're like, it's detailing everyone who lives in Dublin, right? This is detailing everyone with the surname Hordman, this one Navan, um, the, who lives in the town of Navan, and then this one who has a surname Walker, and that's pretty much the basic gist of it. So yeah, hope you liked it.